Wow, jangan masuk. Kamera lihat. Awas, awas.
Bro, tangan bro. Memberikan layanan baik, saya masuk dan diterima baik atas dasar menjaga keselamatan saya nggak dapat jaminan yang tegas kepada kerajaan bahwa keselamatan saya tidak akan disia-siakan. Oleh itu dari beberapa sumber, pertama Duta Besar menerima kenyataan dari Menteri Luar. Kedua, kenyataan dari Menteri Dalam Negeri Alba. Dan ketiga, kenyataan yang agak longgar daripada Datuk Najib menyerahkan kepada semua polis. Yang saya bimbang ini kerana tahap pimpinan polis yang saya perkaikan, kerana saya ada bukti betapa Tan Sri Musa Hassan dan Gani Patel terlibat dalam perencanaan jahat, rekayasa atau memberikan fakta palsu dalam kes-kes terdahulu. Tapi sekarang saya ambil keputusan kedua kerana mereka bagi jaminan dan saya akan lihat apa yang akan berlaku. Saya percaya kebanyakan dari pasukan polis yang bertugas akan bertugas secara profesional. Cuma saya nak ingatkan pimpinan polis sekarang itu kita pertikaikan muslihat mereka kerana saya bukti yang saya akan dedahkan.
Say something in English, please.
Saya utamanya terima kasih.
Datuk Seri English. Datuk Seri, can you say something in English?
I do English again. I want to thank the ambassador for giving me this peace and security because I came in on the basis that I can't rely on the protection of the force here for my personal security, and I have evidence which I have adduced implicating the Inspector General of Police, not the General Police officers, I must thank them, but the Inspector General of Police and his clique and the Attorney General in the fabrication of evidence, which I have now evidence to support my case. Now, if this is the position, allow them to conduct the investigation for the scurrilous, malicious attack on my personal character. It's going to be a repeat of 1997, 98, 99 fiasco. But I thank the ambassador for giving me this protection, and he has got number one assurance guarantee from the foreign minister, Rais Yatim, today on behalf of the government that they will not compromise on the guarantee of personal security. There's a statement by Syed Hamid Alba today as Minister of Home Affairs that they will also protect. There is also a loose one from Datuk Najib entrusting the police. My concern is of course the top leadership of the police, top brass of the police force.
Apakah Datuk Sri akan ikut
I
pemeriksaan?
pray that everything should be alright. I'm not confident until this rotten system is corrected.
Apakah Datuk Sri akan
Saya tentu akan berikan kerjasama dalam kes penyiasatan. Tapi penyiasatan apa? Penyiasatan yang berniat jahat, merekayasa cerita dan fakta seperti mana pernah berlaku dulu. Bagaimana hakim, bagaimana polis yang menyiasat, bagaimana pendakwa raya dan ketua Jabatan Peguam Negara dan Peguam Negara. Ini masalahnya. Bukan masalah orang polis di bawah ataupun hakim-hakim biasa. Ini masalah pilihan khas untuk menjahanamkan karier politik kita. Kita hampir menang. Minggu ini saya patut umumkan keputusan saya bertanding dalam pilihan raya kecil. Minggu ini 4 orang ahli parlimen Barisan Nasional akan menyertai kita. Ini sebab mereka terpaksa bertindak sekarang. Announced now that it's being derailed temporarily. This week, 4 members of parliament from Barisan Nasional is due to join me on stage when I make the announcement.
Are they from
So
UMNO
these
or
are
from
from the Barisan Nasional, including 2 from UMNO. It is this precisely because of this reason that they have created this mess.
Were you asked to leave by the
No,
ambassador?
the ambassador did not ask me to leave. I came in with a guarantee of my personal safety, and I told him only when we are satisfied that personal safety is given will he then willingly allow me to leave.
So
But so I thank
you
him
are
for that.
leaving
On my own
on
volition.
your own.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes. I will discuss with Aziza and the Pakatan Rakyat leaders and my lawyers because they will keep me very busy in the next few days on this case.
Demonstrate who in the government you...
I was due to announce on Tuesday.
So how are you going to announce
Now, because they have been derailed. They use the police, they use this so-called personal assistant. Mind you, he is a volunteer in my office, assisting one of my staff. And not even a formal position, not even fully paid by the Anwar Ibrahim establishment or the party.
So the guarantee of
So I've now issued civil proceedings and criminal action report against me, and knowing the police, good luck. Well, there is a problem right now. I mean, we have to deal with this. Okay, terima kasih banyak.